February 27 marks a significant day in my life because it is the day my son Marcus and I have been given the gift of life. This year, I plan to make it extra special by celebrating the gift of love. Last December 28, 2015, Erin and I celebrated our 25th civil wedding anniversary. It has always been my wife's dream to get married in church. This coming Feb 27, with your help, I will make her dream come true. So, it's a surprise. So what Erin knows is it's our daughter's Erica's surprise wedding. So hopefully, maging smooth. And I know Erin is a very smart person. Medyo nagdududa na siya, but hindi ako papatalo dyan. Titignan natin, ha? Mababaw yung luha ko pagdating sa every time na ang concern yung family ko, hindi ko mapigilan yung mga ganyan na naluluha ko. Ako ba? Siguro naging yun na yung personalidad ko eh. But isa lang ang ibig sabihin na when it comes to family, iba. Diba? Buo dapat.
Helen, this must be an answered prayer. After 25 years, ang tawag natin dito, in God's time, He make all things beautiful in His time. It takes money to build a house, but it takes a lifetime to build up our home. Darius, Erin, after 25 years, continue to build and strengthen your home. We are with you, and we are very happy for you.